The difference I have witnessed is the quality of care that the individual receives, is that the language does play an important part. They're able to voice their needs themselves, and even more important, their preferences. And I think the Welsh language is essential to maintain an individual's dignity and respect.
The difference Catherine has made providing her care through the medium of Welsh was the main reason why I chose to nominate her. And in the area that we're in North Wales, the south of North Wales, Welsh language is incredibly important. And there's a number of individuals, I think around 90% of the individuals that access the service in Corwen are first language Welsh, and being able to offer them the ability to receive their care through the medium of Welsh is fantastic.
It is really important to support someone in the Welsh language. For many, the Welsh language is the only language they are able to communicate effective, and it also helps them at ease within their new environment. It's an essential part of the person's identity, and for some, recognising the Welsh language is the only way for them to connect and express their views and needs.